How do I prevent pixelation in my Adobe video renders? Imagine watching a video where the images look fuzzy or blocky. That's pixelation. It can ruin the quality of your project and frustrate your viewers. So, how do you keep your videos sharp and clear when exporting from Adobe software? Let's walk through some simple steps to make sure your final video looks its best. First, always match your sequence settings to your source footage. If your clips are shot in for degrees Kelvin resolution at 30 frames per second, set your sequence to the same. This prevents unnecessary scaling that can cause pixelation. To do this, go to Sequence and then Sequence Settings, or create a new preset based on your footage's resolution and frame rate. Next, choose the right export settings. When you open the export dialog, pick a format that supports your desired resolution, like H.2.6 for most online videos. Use a preset that matches your target resolution, such as H or for degrees Kelvin. Exporting in a lower resolution than your source will make your video look pixelated, so always keep the resolution consistent. Increasing your bitrate is also key. Bitrate controls how much data is used to store each second of video. For high quality, set a higher bitrate, around 15 to 30 megabits per second for 1080p videos. For degrees Kelvin, aim for even higher, like 50 to 100 megabits per second. Using variable bitrate with two passes helps balance quality and file size, giving you crisp images without huge files. Enable Render at Maximum Depth and use Maximum Render Quality in your export settings. These options improve color accuracy and scaling, especially if you resize footage during editing. They help prevent artifacts and pixelation that can happen when enlarging or shrinking clips. If you are working with newer codecs, consider H.265, also known as high-efficiency video coding. It offers better compression, which means smaller files with less quality loss. Just make sure your playback device supports this codec before exporting. Sometimes, pixelation can be caused by your hardware settings. In File, then Project Settings, switch the renderer from GPU acceleration to Mercury Playback Engine software only. This can fix playback issues or export problems caused by graphics card incompatibilities. Avoid scaling footage beyond its original resolution. Enlarging a small clip to fit a larger frame will make it look pixelated. Always use clips shot at the resolution you want to display, or plan to shoot in higher resolution to keep quality intact. Check your source files. If they are low quality or heavily compressed, no amount of editing can fix that. Use the best quality footage you can find or shoot in higher resolution to start with. Finally, be cautious with noise reduction and color correction. Overdoing these can introduce artifacts or make pixelation worse. Apply these effects carefully and preview your results before exporting the entire project. By following these steps, you can keep your videos clear and sharp from start to finish. Always test your export settings with short clips first to make sure everything looks perfect before rendering your full project. This approach aligns with best practices in Adobe video workflows and helps you produce professional-looking videos every time.